Hi guys everyone, my name is Dima Smetkin, and this is a video about my next trip. This is a journey of 12,000 kilometers, from Sochi to Vladivostok. I have to drive literally through the whole of Russia. Look, don't confuse it right away. I don't have a classic electric bike. He doesn't drive by pressing the button. He only helps me pedal. It makes the turns easier when I connect the motion assistant. I'm walking and thinking about which shawarma to try for me today. I've already tried some super delicious dishes from them.
Hey. Next to rock like Mick Foley. It's Nick Joby, kill him softly, play that shit slowly. On the keys like Tony, throwing subs, they get toasted. About my bread like a hoagie. This beat ice cold, look how I ride this Zamboni. I feel like old Tony, good anywhere you throw me. She eat a Chobani, cause her body getting bony.
I had a snack, took another meal with me and drove on. I need to put all my bags on my bike. I've brought you some work.
Hi.
Hi, are you drinking in the morning? A pleasant, friendly fit from Red Bull, a box of energy drinks. Thanks. I hope this is a bright beginning for a strong and beneficial friendship. We're on our way to the pickup point and loading up in a pickup truck there. Next, we will start at the exit from Moscow to the supermarket parking lot. There is a highway there that we need, which immediately goes to Nizhny Novgorod. I announced a small meeting there. Let's see if some subscribers can come. And whoever is not lazy, he will be able to travel some distance with me. Yeah! Do you know who I am?
Maybe a traveler who goes to Vladivostok, right?
Do you want to go on the coolest bike trip to Vladivostok with us?
Damn, of course I really want to. But the director won't let me go. That's one thing. I don't have enough strength, that's two. And there's not that many beers on the way, that's three.
Hi. Wow, someone even made it. Hi. Oh, I see you're ready to drive a long distance, right? And even people. Damn it. Oh, it's also a can opener. I saw it, yes. I saw it in a social group. Who are you? What is your name? Do we know each other? Wow, why are there so many people? So you need to unload, right? I have pink sneakers and a pink sweatshirt. Well, is there anyone who would like to lift my bike?
Got off the ground, fix it!
Go, 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 go.
Whoa! Dima, you went the wrong way. That's where you're going.
Guys, who's coming? Raise your hands. The traffic jam has started, and I'm very interested. When you go in such a column, you have to go as fast as you can? Or should the others duplicate the actions of the first cyclist in the column? They try to repeat his every move. It turns out that we are now traveling in a small, unorganized column. It turns out that I am not an organizer. I am unorganizer. 10 kilometers behind my back. Oh, Nizhny Novgorod is less than 400 kilometers away. The guys are keeping a good pace. I even had to turn off the speed limit to keep up with them. I still have 213 kilometers to go to the place where I will charge the batteries halfway today. In principle, I should probably get there by nightfall. Oh no, I drove 250 in the previous days. This is from 9 a.m. to 1 a.m., but I definitely have to get there in the morning, and it will take about 6 hours to charge the bike's batteries. Micro life hack. For those people who have not yet settled in with their micro life hacks, if you're driving on the road, and for example, a traffic jam starts, and you have such a wide, pleasant shoulder, you should know that drivers will most likely stop by it. Another life hack. If you're driving along a highway where there's little traffic, and you realize that you haven't been passed by a car in a long time, then you know it means that most likely a trucker is driving somewhere behind you who has gathered a lot of cars behind him. And this also means that all these cars, either on the left or on the right, sometimes try to overtake. So how are you doing? Is it okay?
It's okay.
There doesn't even seem to be a headwind. Well, are we going or are we standing? Yes, yes, yes. I thought people were going to fall off, but he's just joining in.
Well, I'll turn off the highway soon and go in a different direction. Can I take a photo together?
Of course, the main thing is to do it safely. We drove 120 kilometers out of 340. Super awesome news. Guys, we're way behind somewhere. I'm assuming, of course, that they're planning to meet near KFC, if they're even still on their way. I would love to stay here right now. It's easy to park your bike here. I have everything I need. I can have a snack and have a very comfortable stream, but the guys will definitely lose me. I think it's better to stop at a gas station to avoid this, because for them, this trip will last a couple of hours. They're going to jump on the train and go home, if they haven't already, and I still have to drive more than 10,000 kilometers. And for me, every minute, every hour has a certain meaning, important value. I didn't have time to stream. I didn't earn subscribers. I didn't have time to change. I was cold. I didn't have time to eat. I was hungry. The trouble with all these bags is that I have to figure out where everything is from scratch. I don't even remember where, for example. I have a can of Red Bull. I do not know where my night gear is. For example, I don't have anything in these bags that should be there at all. Can I have a chicken sandwich?
Should I heat it up for you?
Yes, if possible. Thanks. Everything is gritting on my teeth. I smear my lips with hygienic lipstick, and it fades and turns black due to the dust on my lips. I have a new place to mount the flashlight. I had it hanging right here, and if it sticks out here, then when I turn the steering wheel, it rests right here in the bag. I've been thinking for a long time about where to put it. I'll attach it here. It is not yet clear where it will shine. One of the disadvantages is that, of course, it will be difficult to charge it on the go. Although if anything, I have another one here, but it's more like a high beam. I've attached the tail light here. I hope it doesn't come off the bag. Well, guys, the night has come. I need to get in and out of the night. One more stop on the way. I want to change my socks. It looks like my shoes have nothing to do with keeping warm. Damn. Oh, how terrible it is. The bags are too big. The bags are too huge. And where my socks are warm, but not quite warm, these are the ones. Yes, that's what I need. And the questions are, where should I put my slightly worn socks now? In a general pile? At the beginning of the night, I have a feeling that it will be just icy tonight. I'll probably get a warm balaclava right next to me. She's not here. Damn! We need to do some kind of revision. It's what kind of bag it's in, what the hell side it's on. Unwrapping another bag, returning to the first bag, I still found a balaclava. Double work. I'm absolutely not a fan of energy drinks. They have a strange effect on me. When I drink them, I just get this terrible stomach tremor. I can't stop, and this is what happens to me. Frantic, shifty eyes, depressed self-esteem, and then such a bang, drastic devastation. Not a single power engineer worked for me normally. Each energy drink did not cause stomach pain. Every power engineer then put me right on the contrary, fiercely asleep. Until I tried Gorilla once in my life. That's why I have a Red Bull with me on this trip. It's nice when Red Bull gives Red Bull. It turns out that the front flashlight does not shine very coolly. His light dissolves on half of the bike's parts, and I can actually see very poorly. It's been a long time since I've seen a road so dead, without any hint of a curb. There is no right white line, and the strange huge pits on the road, that is, they just came out of nowhere. Very sharp, very deep. Awesome, awesome. I stopped at this gas station for a BMX to spend the night. There was a very important meeting in my life here with another bike traveler who gave me a power bank when mine was over. And after that meeting, I got hooked on road bikes. I need to get warm right away. Pull out the charger and stick it in. Ouch! I'm going blind! Oh, there's a big gas station ahead, but chocolates and dried fruits won't be enough for me. There are cafes and restaurants there. It looks great. There should be food here, and even delicious food. Do you have any hot dogs or burgers?
There is. Would you like some coffee?
No thanks. Well, yes, well, it's not the most beautiful view. I look like some kind of torpedo. When it's all sweating from the inside, it's not the most pleasant feeling either. Guys, do I have any glitches ahead of time? I'm going to switch to my phone now. So where is it? Is it moving or not? Damn, it's scary. Imagine for a second what it's like in horror movies right now. It turns sharply here. And that's how all these old women start running at you, just jumping over these fences. Damn, look, the truck drove by, but she's not there anymore. I think let's replace the battery with you. However, you can still drive a little more on this battery, but it's like I don't see any point in it. There are 13% and 9 kilometers of power reserve left. Why did you want to bring him here? And then how to close it? Listen, that's right. After all, I was closing it when it was all on the floor first. Now we need to get a bunch of wires out of here. The charger unit. Yes, it's very beautiful. We'll take her. We put them side by side. We take off the belt, plug in the key. The battery was removed. We installed another one. Well, it's kind of cool. What do we have here, by the way? Oh, 51%. As far as I understand, is this Vladimir? And I'm Dmitri! Quicksand. It's strange, like we're driving on asphalt. The horror, the horror. This is not a road. We're a car, we're a car, we're a car. We're with all the cars. We can't go, can we? And who's going there? Go! Oh, what is this inscription? And this is the name of the city of Vladimir backwards. No, we need to somehow rebuild our diet, so to speak, for a day trip. Right now, I don't understand why I'm doing this at all. Where am I going now for what? Okay, I'm going to drive 400 kilometers now. Well, okay, let's call it one at a time. In fact, it's still 2 days. But on the third day, I will take a break from it. That is, it still turns out that I will drive 400 kilometers in 3 days, but driving at night is a complete mess. I can't see anything. I don't like this narrow light from the flashlight. This is the number of accidents I can get into multiplied by 5. The time on the clock is 2:30 a.m. I still have more than 30 kilometers to go. That's another hour and a half. My legs are already wobbly. I can't drive at high speed. The temperature, by the way, is +5 outside. It's just awful. I don't like it that way. No pleasure from riding. Look, there's some good news. It's starting to get light. I don't pronounce words well. I can hardly read the names of localities, but the white car headlights turn purple in my eyes. It's getting lighter, that's good. It will be a little warmer in about 4 hours. I'm hungry. I will somehow try to survive on hunger. I have chocolates with me, but I physically just can't live them. I can't imagine trying to bite it off frozen right now. It's about time now. It's about time, it's about time, it's about time. My subscriber greets me, and he takes me to his village to the left of the highway. I charge all my equipment there. While the batteries are charging, I'm not undressed, not washed, not eaten, resting somewhere standing or lying down. And then, as soon as the equipment is charged, he brings me back to the track. I won't be able to make it 4 kilometers to the gas station where we were supposed to meet. My battery is dead. I have 61% on my phone and 1% on my video camera. Look here, the exclamation mark. There are 2 kilometers left, but he is no longer driving. And I can't change the battery with my own hands because they don't seem to be there because of the cold. They're just pieces of ice. 206 kilometers in 9 hours. I'm not impressed with the result today. Damn. The uphill climb is 841 meters, and the average speed is generally low, only 22 kilometers per hour.